Which organ uses the most oxygen in the body? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Liver. D. Kidney. Correct answer is B. Brain. The next question is, which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin E. Correct answer is A. Vitamin A. The next question is, which fruit helps reduce body heat during summer? A. Banana. B. Watermelon. C. Apple. D. Pineapple. Correct answer is B. Watermelon. The next question is, which part of the body never rests even during sleep? A. Brain. B. Eyes. C. Heart. D. Ears. Correct answer is A. Brain. The next question is, which animal has the strongest bite force in the world? A. Lion. B. Crocodile. C. Tiger. D. Hyena. Correct answer is B. Crocodile. The next question is, which daily habit helps balance female hormones? A. Skipping meals. B. Deep sleep. C. Cold showers. D. Evening walk. Correct answer is B. Deep sleep. The next question is, which sexual organ enlarges 2x its size during female arousal? A. Clitoris. B. Ovary. C. Cervix. D. Vagina. Correct answer is A. Clitoris. The next question is, which fruit is known to improve skin glow naturally? A. Orange. B. Grapes. C. Apple. D. Papaya. Correct answer is D. Papaya. The next question is, what is the only bird that can swim but not fly? A. Penguin. B. Duck. C. Ostrich. D. Emu. Correct answer is A. Penguin. The next question is, which food helps reduce bad cholesterol levels? A. Butter. B. Fried rice. C. Oats. D. Red meat. Correct answer is C. Oats. The next question is, which hormone increases during physical intimacy? A. Cortisol. B. Insulin. C. Oxytocin. D. Adrenaline. Correct answer is C. Oxytocin. The next question is, which vegetable is best for treating constipation? A. Potato. B. Pumpkin. C. Beetroot. D. Radish. Correct answer is C. Beetroot. The next question is, which sea creature has 3 hearts? A. Octopus. B. Crab. C. Jellyfish. D. Starfish. Correct answer is A. Octopus. The next question is, which vitamin helps reduce PMS symptoms in women? A. Vitamin B6. B. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is A. Vitamin B6. The next question is, which organ detoxifies the blood in the body? A. Lungs. B. Kidney. C. Liver. D. Intestines. Correct answer is C. Liver. The next question is, which nut helps improve sexual stamina in men? A. Almond. B. Walnut. C. Cashew. D. Pistachio. Correct answer is B. Walnut. The next question is, which human organ has no blood supply but still functions? A. Eye cornea. B. Eardrum. C. Tongue. D. Skin. Correct answer is A. Eye cornea. The next question is, which oil is best for reducing stretch marks? A. Coconut oil. B. Castor oil. C. Mustard oil. D. Olive oil. Correct answer is D. Olive oil. The next question is, which bird has the fastest wing flap rate in the world? A. Eagle. B. Sparrow. C. Hummingbird. D. Crow. Correct answer is C. Hummingbird. The next question is, which leaf boosts fertility in both men and women? A. Neem leaf. B. Curry leaf. C. Mint leaf. D. Tulsi leaf. Correct answer is D. Tulsi leaf. The next question is, which city has the highest population in India? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. The next question is, what happens if you eat curry leaves regularly? A. Causes hair fall. B. Improves eyesight. C. Increases sugar level. D. Boosts immunity. Correct answer is B. Improves eyesight. The next question is, what should be eaten to reduce eye problems? A. Drumstick. B. Bitter gourd. C. Brinjal. D. Pumpkin. Correct answer is A. Drumstick. The next question is, which disease can be prevented by eating green chili? A. Diabetes. B. Cancer. C. Asthma. D. Blood pressure. Correct answer is B. Cancer. The next question is, in which country do hens lay blue eggs? A. Japan. B. India. C. Chile. D. Russia. Correct answer is C. Chile.